So today we have with us one of the most viral sneaker of the decade. So hi guys, welcome to the channel. I am Suvansh and today we'll be unboxing these beauties. And ये कुछ ऐसा है that I think हर generation के लोगों ने इसे देखा हुआ है कहीं ना कहीं. Either somewhere in the news, some posts on social media, somewhere or the other देखा हुआ है. So we have with us, if we should just go with the name, so we have with us the Nike Go Fly Ease. Yes, you heard it right guys, I was able to pop these. But सबसे पहले मतलब we'll make it crisp and full of details. But उससे पहले I just tell you थोड़ा सा about the Fly Ease. So Fly Ease, like if you remember, हमने एक वीडियो शूट किया था कुछ टाइम पहले which was ISPA. वो basically Nike का एक कैटेगरी था जिसमें वो innovate करते थे और they used to bring new things in that. So that was one of the category. Similarly, they have this Fly Ease category जिसमें Nike का मोटिव ये होता है कि वो जो sneakers होते हैं वो बिल्कुल क्विक होने चाहिए पहनने के लिए, आपको उसमें हाथ लगाने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए एंड एवरीथिंग शुड बी लाइट एंड स्मूथ. सो इसकी प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन भी है, वो आई जस्ट पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन इफ इट्स रिक्वायर्ड. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले अभी से अनबॉक्स करते हैं. तो व्हेन यू ओपन दीस, by the way, we'll be going in, we'll be talking about its retail value and prediction as well, so stay tuned. So once you just open this, the first thing जो आपकी look पड़ती है is they have actually given these steps कि you know how to wear this sneaker. That's like very rare कि आप एक shoe को कैसे पहने, that the steps are given in that. So now let's move to the pair. Oh god, you can see these? Okay, they are so beautiful. And actually I wanted the color that you guys saw in the clip, but यार वो मुझे मिला नहीं honestly. So these are these beauties if I can see. यानी बहुत ही normal लग रहे होंगे अभी आपको, but I think I should just do this then. Right. So okay. So without further delays कि हम details में जाते हैं. So basically ये एक sneaker, ये जो sneaker है, this basically works with the basically इसके पीछे thought ये है कि when you have to wear it, then आपको इसे touch ना करना पड़े, and when you have to remove it, then also the same. तो सबसे पहले मेरी चीज नजर में आई is that if you see this part, so this is white and this is cream. मतलब they could have like used the same color, but कुछ होगा reason. And then again they have this red part. Actually this is one of the really important part of this. जो part है, this is a very hard plastic compared to the normal sole, because this is being the basically अगर आप इसे बहुत closely देखें ना, तो ये part और ये part बिल्कुल अलग है. They are not joined. This is basically the bridge that is being between the both the sole pieces if I should say, and is being the bridge out of it. So अगर हम इसमें एक और part के बारे में something that is catching the attention is this part. This small piece that is actually coming out of the heel area. इसके पीछे reason ये है कि when you have to remove it ना, तो you can just put your other feet here और इसे ऐसे आप करके remove सकते हो. That is one of the key factor. But to be really honest, it's very comfortable, very comfortable. But this thing isn't that smooth जितना मुझे लगा था, to be honest. Maybe once I wear it for a while, so it might get smoother. And also, मुझे ये लगता है, I have very serious doubts when we think about इसका life of this shoe, because this is rubber and this is something जिसके base पे इसका पूरा USP है, that this whole thing is operating. So I have serious doubts with that कि इसका कितना life होगा. But honestly, it's a very good step towards something new. So talking about the market for this, so I have bought these for like 10,300 rupees. Honestly, for a pair, for such unique pair, the pricing is very decent. I feel, मतलब बहुत सही है pricing. But इसका as of now इसका after market कुछ भी नहीं है. It is sitting on the Nike's website. You can even go now and buy it. कोई problem मतलब it's very easily available. But I feel that अगर if Nike does not drop ऐसे few more pairs like in with the similar concept, then eventually I think इसका market थोड़ा सा ऊपर जा सकता है, maybe in couple of years maybe. But I don't know तब तक कि इसका rubber will sustain or not. So that's my view about this. But overall it's good. But I think मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही excited था इन्हें लेकर. So my expectations मेरी expectations थोड़ी सी slide down हो गई. But ठीक है, it's okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I feel this video would have been insightful for you. मतलब insightful for you. This is Suvan signing off. Thank you so much.